Conversation between Anil and John on their first meeting. To improve your English speaking, watch the video carefully and practice speaking.
Hi, I'm Anil. Nice to meet you.
Hello, I'm John. It's great to meet you too.
How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you. And you?
I'm good. Thanks for asking.
Where are you from?
I'm from India. What about you?
I'm from Nepal. It's nearby.
That's cool. How did you come here?
I came here for work. What about you?
I'm a student studying engineering.
Oh, that's interesting. Which university do you attend?
I go to the University of Mumbai. It's a good one.
Nice choice. What do you like to do for fun?
I enjoy playing football and reading books. How about you?
I love playing cricket and watching movies.
Cricket is famous in both India and Nepal.
Yes, it is. Have you been to any other countries before?
No, this is my first time traveling abroad. How about you?
I've been to India once. It was an amazing experience.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. What do you do for work?
I work as a software engineer in a tech company.
That sounds like a rewarding job.
Yes, I enjoy it. Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one younger sister. What about you?
I have two older brothers. Family is important, right?
Absolutely, family is everything. How do you like this city so far?
I'm still exploring, but it seems like a vibrant place.
I agree, there's so much to see and do here. Do you like trying new cuisines?
Yes, I love exploring different foods. How about you?
I'm a foodie too. Indian food is famous for its flavors.
That's true. We should try some local dishes together.
That sounds like a plan. Let's do it sometime.
Sure, I look forward to it. It's been nice talking to you, Anil.
Same here, John. Let's keep in touch and hang out soon.
Definitely. See you around, Anil. Take care.
You too, John. Have a great day.